children, I welcome you all for this online teaching. Today we are going to learn in subject English. Once again, warm welcome to all the students of 3rd B1 and B2. In our subject English, today I am going to teach you lesson number 5. Lesson number 5, going to the village. Children, I request everybody to open your English reader. Take page number 41. Everybody open your English book. Take page number 41. Yes. Lesson number 5. I'll read and I'll explain this lesson to you. In between I'll tell you a few words. Underline that. Underline that. I'll conduct test in our next Zoom class. Children, are you able to follow? Yes. Keep pencil with you. Take page number 41. Going to the village. Nitya and Aditi are going to visit their uncle and aunt who live in a village. They're traveling with their parents. Nitya is very excited and keeps glancing out of the train window. She has never been to a village before. Children, this is the introduction of this lesson. This is a story about two children along with their parents. Nitya and Aditi are the two children. They are visiting their uncle and aunt. They are visiting their uncle and aunt who live in a village. They are traveling with their parents. Nitya is very excited. Excited means very happy, overjoyed, and keeps glancing out of the window train. She has never been to a village before. Can you see this picture, children? It's a train. How many of you have traveled in train? Yes, of course, everybody, isn't it? When we go for long distance, we take train, which is very comfortable. And few people will travel by luxury bus, with sleeper, isn't it, full of AC. See this bus, how beautiful it is. Few others, see, when we go to visit our native place or when we go to visit our uncle and aunt, we carry all the luggage, we get ready, we take the necessary things and we go to the station. Most of the people, they will travel by train because it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. Here also, Nitya and Aditi means they are the two children along with their parents. They are going to travel in a train. They are going to village. First time they are visiting a village along with their parents. In a village, their uncle and aunt are living in a village. Children, how many of you visited village? I think your grandmother or grandfather, they may live in village, isn't it? Yes, village life is really very nice. You'll have peace of mind, you'll enjoy the climate, you'll enjoy the nature around. You can see, you can play with the field. In this story, we see the conversation. Here the conversation is between the parents and the two children, means father, mother, and Aditi and Nitya. Children, this is between a conversation. Conversation means talking between your parents. Think you're traveling in a train. I just everybody imagine that you're sitting in a train with your parents. Whenever we go to far distance, when we travel in train, small children like you, everybody wants to sit by the window side, isn't it? Why children, you all want to sit by window side? Because you want to see the nature. In the window side, cool breeze will come and you can see everything passing by, isn't it? In the same way, now Nitya is very excited and keeps glancing. Keeps glancing means looking out of the window. We're looking out of the window because she's very excited because she has never been to a village before. Here Nitya is asking her parents, how much longer okay, because they're traveling in the train and their stop and their station has not yet come. So she's asking, how much longer? I'm waiting to play with the calves and and feed the ducks. She want to go and play with the calves. Calf means baby of cows, okay, and feed the ducks. So Aditi is also saying, asking mother, do you think they have rabbits there? So mother is telling, there were no rabbits when I was a child. Okay, there were no rabbits when I was a child. There are large fields where you can play with your cousins. So the mother is telling, there are no rabbits when I was a child. Children, you also ask your parents how was the village when they were very small. Okay, they will tell the old stories. Okay, they will tell all the stories. Ask them how is the village life compared with the city life. Now Aditi is asking, and what do Uncle Naresh and Aunt Rujita do there? Okay, Aditi is asking her mother, what do Uncle Naresh and Auntie Rujita do? So mother is telling, they work on farm. Okay, they work on farm. They grow sugarcane and rice. Okay, they grow sugarcane and rice. Can you see this picture? Can you see the sugarcane in the farm? Yes, here in Chennai we can get only the sugarcane juice, isn't it, children? But we cannot see the farms. But when you go to the village, you can see this sugarcane farm, rice farm. Okay, all the people in the village, they grow this on their farms. And mother is also saying, Rujita auntie also runs the girls school. Okay, see here in this picture you can see this is the rice. Okay, this is the rice, this is the sugarcane farm, and this is the rice. Okay, see how it is, how beautiful, how greenish it is, isn't it, children? Yes. And the mother is telling, Rujita auntie also runs the girls school. Okay, this is the girls school. See the children, how they all are, isn't it? They look very beautiful, they all are happy. And the father says, they started it last year, so the girls in the village can study in a school nearby. The father is telling, your auntie started the school last year, so the girls in the village can study. Okay, can study. Children, sometime when it is school, they have the classes under a banyan tree. Yes. Okay, see, can you see this banyan tree? Yeah, this is the biggest tree, isn't it? Okay, sometimes these children, they will go sit under the banyan tree and the teacher will conduct the class there. Okay, can you see this? Yes, it will give more shade and you will get the cool breeze also. So Nitya is telling, I do love to make friends with all of them. Okay, the father is telling, okay, looks like our station is just few minutes away. Means they are about to get down, the station is going to come. So the father is telling, so Aditi, how will we reach the farm? So the Aditi is asking, father, how we will reach the farm? Are there autos and taxis to take us there? Okay, in our city lives, we have autos. See the picture, we have autos, we have taxis. But the father is telling, no, there are buses. There are buses. Maybe your uncle and aunt will bring their tractor. Okay, this is the tractor. We will ride on it to the village. So Nitya, I wonder what kind of house they live. So because Nitya and Aditi are visiting the village for the first time, they all are so excited and asking so many questions. And she's asking how the houses will be there. So the mother says the houses has trees all around it and a courtyard in the center. Okay, how beautiful it is, isn't it, to listen. There will be lot of trees around and a courtyard in the center. And see the picture, this is the house, and in front and side everywhere there will be trees. Okay, and she's telling there will be well at the back. Okay, this is the well. Can you see the picture, children? This is the well where they draw water from the well. So she's telling, when we were young, we used to sit under the trees at night. Okay, in the evening, nowadays we all are addicted to this TV. We sit in front of TV and watch so many serials, cartoons. But in olden times, okay, the mother is telling we used to sit under the tree where the grandpa would tell us stories. Even the people from the village would gather to listen to the stories. Sometimes when it was very hot, they would sleep under the tree. Okay, sometimes when it's nowadays we all have AC, fan, everything, but in the village life they do not have all this. So when it's hot, they sleep under the tree. They smelled so good and it felt so cool. The mother is telling when we sleep under the tree, they smelled so good and it felt so cool also. So the Aditi is asking, the house in the cities are usually small. Mother, well, many houses in the village are small too, but of them have thatched roofs. Okay, thatched roof means what? Children, thatched roof means, see, this is the thatched roof, means like hut. Okay, like hut. And some houses have big and have tiled roofs. These are the houses which have tiled roof. Okay, the father is telling the train is about to stop. Okay, now the train is about to stop. Come, pick up the bags and move towards the exit. Okay, now the train is going to stop. So the father is telling, pick up all your luggage and move towards the door. Means to get down, because the train will stop here for only 2 minutes. The train will stop here only for 2 minutes. Okay, now the station came and the family gets off at the station. Okay, the platform is small and almost empty. Okay, Uncle Naresh and Auntie Rujita are waiting for them. Okay, uncle says, welcome. Did you have a comfortable journey? So Aditi is telling, yes, we had. Okay, auntie is telling, come this way. The tractor is parked at the end of the station. Okay, they have brought the tractor and they have parked at the end of the station. So Nitya is asking auntie, will you drive the tractor? Auntie is telling, yes, why not? Would you like to sit in front and beside me in the tractor? The children are very excited. Okay, very excited. Now they all are traveling by, okay children, now they all are traveling by the tractor. You can see in the picture, see in your book now, see in page number 43. Can you see the tractor? See uncle and auntie Rujita. Can you see Nitya? Yes. Nitya, yes, we would. Nitya is asking, what fun. Will the tractor take us through the fields? So uncle is telling, no, it might spoil the crops. However, you can see the fields as we drive by. Yes, when we go by a tractor, it's an open vehicle, so you can enjoy by seeing the fields. Children, did you like this story? Did you like this story? Yes. Okay, a very small story about the life in village. Okay, hope you would have gone to village and seen and enjoyed like this. Okay, now the assignment for you is, take an A4 sheet and write few sentences about your village. Okay, everybody will have a native place, or you have your grandfather, grandmother living in village. You can take help of your mother or father and write few points about your village. Okay, what all you see in a village, which is the favorite game you play, okay, how the houses, how they get water, everything you can write and keep it. I will ask you in the Zoom class. I will ask you to show in the Zoom class. Okay children, till then, bye, take care, thank you.